Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Oppo's smartphone Oppo Reno4. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, SSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 128GB with 8GB of RAM, and it comes with a micro SD card dedicated slot. The phone is coming in two colors, and the two colors are galactic blue, space black, and USB has micro USB 2.0, type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has OLED capacitive touch screen 16 million color. Display size is 6.4 inches and 83.5% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.31 into 2.91 into 0.3 inches and weight 165 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and the processor chipset Qualcomm SM7125 Snapdragon 720G. The CPU is getting octa-core 2 into 2.3 GHz Cairo 465 gold and 6 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 465 silver. You can get the sensor in the phone or fingerprint under display, optical, accelerometer, proximity compass, gyro, and battery is lithium polymer 4015 mAh, non-removable with capacity of fast charging 30 watt. As an always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound with 3.5mm jack. You get the main camera quad, 48 megapixel flash 1.7 wide, 8 megapixel flash 2.2 ultra wide, 2 megapixel flash 2.4 micro, 2 megapixel flash 2.4 depth, video type facility at maximum of 4K 30 frame rate per second. And get a selfie camera single 32 megapixel with flash 2.4. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Oppo Reno4 model. Those who like to use medium range smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Oppo can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.